I wanted to present a brief lesson on how to use a rubric. I know you've seen rubrics before from other teachers and other classes, but I thought we would do some review and maybe you will get a little bit more out of this very useful tool. For each major assignment and some of your other minor assignments, you will be given a rubric. A rubric breaks down each goal for an assignment and assigns points for that goal based upon the student's success in achieving that goal. So, for example, in the first major assignment, the first goal is to write a clear and detailed thesis or claim that is responsive to the assignment prompt. Mastery of this goal earns the student a total of 15 points. The student's performance may not achieve that goal, so fewer points will be assigned. And you can see how the points start to fall as weaknesses in this goal become evident in the writing. Why is a rubric helpful? A rubric is helpful for two reasons. From the instructor's standpoint, I can award a score with a clear explanation of how points are allocated. "80 points, here are the goals, and here are the possible points." This allows me to place the same weight on each assignment goal consistently from student to student. From the student's standpoint, you can refer to the rubric as a sort of checklist during your drafting process to make sure you are focusing on each of the goals in the assignment. When you receive your score, you can immediately see the specific strengths and weaknesses of your performance. So, for your purposes, the question is, okay, what do I do with the rubric? If a rubric is provided, be sure to review the rubric before beginning the assignment. Ask your instructor to clarify any of the goals in the rubric immediately so that you understand exactly what you have to do to successfully complete the assignment. Refer to your rubric often during your drafting process to measure your progress. Upon receiving your score, look at the rubric to understand your strengths as a writer and what you should work on for the next assignment. I can tell you as an instructor, I find a rubric extremely helpful in clearly pinpointing the strengths and weaknesses of a student's writing so that I know how to help that student in future assignments. I hope that you will also find the rubric helpful so that you will know exactly what you have to do to produce a successful piece of writing.